Hey guys, we're in Tracy City, Tennessee, and we are doing the Fiery Gizzard Loop. There's a lot of beauty on this trail, a lot of interesting things to see along the way, and we've done
a lot of little waterfalls.
A lot of them, and the furthest we went out to is Raven Point, and it's a challenge to do that. Don't know if we're going to do that today, but we will see some beauty along the way.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this big old hemlock.
What a great day for a hike because it's 60 degrees and sunny. A few days ago we had really hard rain, and that's what helped with the water flow here, so we knew it would be a great day for hiking with the rain and the sunshine.
Yep. I don't remember. Are we going back there or up here?
Either way. Isn't nobody else up there?
No.
Cool.
Not that I've seen. Oh, might be easier to do this one.
You can do it.
Or not.
You can do it.
I don't know, I'm a little scared.
There you go. You got it. Good job.
Now. All right, we've climbed to the top of the chimneys. Perfect place for lunch. My lunch spot is prettier than yours.
She does not remember us being here before, but we've actually set up here and ate a bologna sandwich a couple years ago. And I promise it wasn't another girl I brought up here.
Probably 10 years ago.
Probably. So this is the chimney that we just had lunch on top of. It's real easy to climb. But the chimney next to us,
Not so much easy to climb.
a little more challenging to get to the top of it. I've always wanted to do it, but I don't think I could do it safely.
Yeah. I do want to show them the bottom of this particular chimney. It's the one that's got the curvature in the rocks. I just wanted to show you the rock formation here on the tallest chimney. I hope you can see it in there. You see the curvature of the rock? The rocks were being squished together and pushed up all at the same time. Pretty neat.
I can't help myself. It's not part of the trail, but I just had to do it. With all these boulders on the trail, it's kind of hard to see where the trail is, so you have to pay real close attention to the trail markers so you don't get lost.
Fruit ball!
So this is what they call the fruit bowl. It's because it's down in a hole, which is shaped kind of like a bowl, and it's got a bunch of big boulders inside the
fruit.
The bowl, which is the fruit. These are some big old boulders, and they're fun to play around on.
Yeah. Is that a shelter?
It could be.
Now.
wraps up another great Tennessee adventure, and we're so thankful that the weather cooperated with us today.
Yeah, it has been a beautiful day in Tennessee, and if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and to keep following along with our adventures, hit that subscribe button below.